In 2026, the television sitting in your living room has evolved from a simple entertainment screen into a sophisticated surveillance and data-gathering hub. While you see a window into movies and sports, manufacturers view it as a portal to log every pause, rewind, and preference, turning your habits into marketable profiles. The original promise of smart convenience has largely decayed into a landscape of fragmented apps, sluggish menus, and intrusive advertisements. Apple is preparing a major intervention with the 2026 Apple TV 4K, shifting toward a philosophy of invisible computing where technology dissolves into the background rather than demanding constant attention. The core of this shift is the transition from a media player to the neurological center of the home, powered by the unreleased 2nm A19 chip. This processor isn't just for gaming performance. It is designed to enable advanced spatial and environmental intelligence. By leveraging your existing Apple ecosystem, the device can recognize your presence through biometric signals from your Apple Watch or the proximity of your iPhone. You no longer need to log into profiles or switch users. The room simply knows who you are. Content resumes automatically, lighting adjusts to your preference, and notifications become ambient, glowing softly and disappearing when not needed. A major leap in 2026 is the rumored introduction of HomeOS, a hybrid operating system that merges the interface logic of iOS with the spatial depth of visionOS. This platform aims to make the traditional remote control obsolete by introducing advanced air gestures. High-precision sensors and machine learning map your hands in 3D space, allowing you to browse with a swipe, pause with a pinch, or adjust volume with a wrist rotation. Your body effectively becomes the interface, removing the friction of plastic controllers. Privacy is the primary driver behind the massive local processing power of the A19 chip. Unlike competitors who rely on external servers, Apple's strategy focuses on on-device intelligence. The expanded neural engine processes voice recognition, facial mapping, and behavioral analysis locally, ensuring your data never leaves your home. This turns Siri into a high-speed local assistant that can find specific scenes or emotional themes in your viewing history instantly without routing requests through a distant cloud. The 2026 model also addresses the fragmentation of modern streaming by creating a universal content layer. Instead of opening individual apps, HomeOS indexes metadata from all platforms in real time, allowing you to browse by mood, actor, or genre across every service you own in one unified feed. This is paired with an audio breakthrough called beamformed spatial audio virtualization. The device uses built-in microphones to map the acoustics of your living room, converting your existing environment into a virtual surround system that moves with you as you sit or walk around. This shift toward an intelligent environment rather than a mere gadget marks a turning point in home technology. By the time it launches, the standard concept of smart TV will likely feel as outdated as a DVD player. You aren't just buying a media box. You are installing the nervous system for your digital life, a central brain that connects security, communication, and wellness into one private, silent, and seamless experience.